Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Uh, as you can see on our thumbnail, it's gonna be an outdoor video today. We are gonna go shopping for a raw material which we need urgently for an order. Uh, it is gonna be exciting, but I'm a little nervous because this is gonna be a first time for me where I'm gonna go and shoot in public place. So let's see how it goes. Scheduled to go at 2 o'clock. It's scorching heat, but that's how it works. We have to go then. Let me quickly get change and see you on the other side. Hello everyone. So we have finally reached the destination after scorching heat journey. Yes, it is summers in Vadodara and it is very hot. And I'm so grateful for Hari who is shooting this content because he has finally arrived and he is all red. This is the first stop where we are stopping at. I guess I buy most of my last minute materials from this store. Usually we buy it in bulk from different places, Ahmedabad, Delhi and Mumbai, but anything which is required for a very last moment and I have to search a local vendor, this is my go to place. This is in Mandvi. uh, and I guess there is a Google map link to this which I will tag down on the description. And I usually prefer to carry a list of items which I have to buy, so to make sure I don't forget it. Also, I always carry samples just to make sure that I buy the things in right sizes. I have to find it in my bag, which is a little challenging, but here we have all the samples and a list ready to shop. So usually I do scroll through a lot of raw material which is available in the store and get mostly all the design inspirations looking at the raw materials. So I always tend to buy a little extra a size nanisha than what I plan for, and so I spend a lot of money. All these beautiful kundan pieces are giving me Rakhi vibes, so we are trying to do something new. A flower vadu chana. With the Rakhis, we are gonna make it more delicate than usual, and we are gonna use a lot of kundan pieces, which are gonna be very different from what we usually do every year. So stay tuned. I would say we are done with all the shopping from Devalankar. Now we are gonna go to another shop which is in Bajwada. It's near Nawa Bazar. The people from Baroda might recognize it, but let me take you to that shop again and let's see what we have to shop from there. So this is the second store. It is called Shri Krishna Latkan, and you will mostly get all the items related to ready-made laces and patchwork and everything here. Today we are here to buy something for baby Krishna's jewelry, and let's see if we can get it. This is also usually a last minute urgent shopping store for me because the prices are very high comparatively to what I buy from Mumbai and Delhi. But when there is a urgency and I cannot wait for the shipment, this is my another go to store in. On our website, if you check baby Krishna jewelry, we do jewelries for little Krishnas, and this is something where which we use in that jewelry. I will tag the product in the description box, and we are buying this to complete that order, and that is gonna get shipped to US. We are done with the shopping. Let me know if you want to explore more stores of shopping raw materials with me in Vadodara. We'll do a next vlog on your request. We are at the final destination of today's adventurous trip. Hari is gonna introduce me to a new cafe. which is called Maharani Chimnabai Stri Udyogalay, and the cafe here is called Gajra. Uh, the very unique thing about this cafe is it is managed and handled by LGBTQ community. I am really excited for this experience. It is right in front of the Sursagar Lake. We can see besides. So let's explore, and I'll let you know how I feel about the cafe. So there's a little introduction of the cafe here. Let's go. So I just scrolling the menu. They really have some very innovative Gujarati Maharashtrian dishes. But on the recommendations of Hari, I'm gonna go with vada pav because I haven't ate vada pav since a very long time. And we are gonna have a fresh lime soda with that. Let's see how our experience is. Overall, the cafe looks aesthetically really pleasing and colorful. It completely I can completely resonate to the vibe of LGBTQ. They have some cute planters here. So the vada pavs have finally arrived, and I am so happy with the presentation and how it looks. It does looks delicious and tempting. Also, it smells really good. I can feel that I get the Mumbai vibe looking at these vada pavs, and the fresh lime soda tastes good. A perfect drink for summer, I would say. Self-service, guys. If you are at Gajra Cafe, you have to do this by yourself. Ellen. Recommend you to visit Gajra Cafe and eat vada pav for sure because that is yummy. We are gonna end this vlog now. I really hope you like this video and like, share, and subscribe. You know the drill. And do also comment if you have been to Gajra Cafe and share your experience with me. It would be wonderful to hear it out. See you until next time.